Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest technology videos. So in this video, you will learn the top OOPS concept, interview questions and answers. When you attend the interview for job title as Java developer, then you must have depth knowledge on the object-oriented programming concept. This is the key point in interview round. Interviewer start their first question from OOPS concept. So let us discuss one by one. The first question is, what are the principles concept of OOPS? There are four principal concepts upon which object oriented design and programming test. They are abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, and encapsulation. The next question is, what is abstraction? Abstraction refers to the act of representing essential features without including the background details of explanations. It is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing only functionality to the user. We can say in another way, it shows only important things to the user and hides the internal details. For example, sending SMS, you just type the text and send the message, but you don't know the internal process about the message delivery. How to achieve abstraction? There are two ways to achieve abstraction in Java. The first one is abstract class. Second one is interface. The third question is, what is encapsulation? Encapsulation is a technique used for hiding the properties and behaviors of an object and allowing outside access only as appropriate. It prevents other objects from directly altering or accessing the properties or methods of the encapsulation object. The next question is, what is difference between abstraction and encapsulation? Abstraction focuses on the outside view of an object, that means the interface, but encapsulation prevents clients from seeing its inside view where the behavior of the abstraction is implemented. Abstraction solves the problem in the design side, while encapsulation is the implementation. The next question is, what is inheritance? Inheritance is the process by which objects of one class acquires the properties of objects of another class. A class that is inherited is called as superclass. The class that does the inheriting is called as subclass. Inheritance is done by using the keyword extends. The common reasons to use inheritance are to improve code reusability, to use polymorphism. The next question is, what is polymorphism? Polymorphism means one interface, many implementations. It is a characteristics of being able to assign a different meanings or uses to something in different contexts, especially to allow an entity such as a variable or a function. The next question is, how does Java implement polymorphism? Java implement polymorphism in three ways: by using inheritance, overloading, and overriding are used to achieve polymorphism in Java. Overloading means multiple methods have same name but different formal arguments list. In other case, multiple methods have same name, same return type, and same formal argument list is called overriding. The next question is, what is runtime polymorphism? In Java, runtime polymorphism or dynamic method dispatch is a process in which a call to an overridden method is resolved at runtime rather than at compile time. In this process, an overridden method is called through the reference variable of a subclass. The determination of the method to be called is based on the object being referred to by the reference variable. The next question is, what is dynamic binding? Binding refers to the linking of a procedure call to the code to be executed in response to the call. Dynamic binding, also called as late binding, it means that the code associated with the given procedure call is not known until the time of the call at runtime. It is associated with polymorphism and inheritance. The next question is, what is method overloading? Method overloading means to have two or more methods with the same name in the same class with different arguments. The benefits of method overloading is that it allows you to implement methods that support the same semantic operations but differ different by argument, number or type. The next question is, what is method overriding? Overriding occurs when subclass declares a method that has the same type arguments as a method declared by one of its superclass. The key benefit of overriding is the ability to define behavior that is specific to particular subclass type. The next question is, how do you prevent a method from being overridden? To prevent a specific method from being overridden in the subclass, use the final modifier on the method declaration, which means this is the final implementation of this method, the end of its inheritance. The next question is, what is dependency? Change in structure or behavior of a class affects the other related class. Then there is a dependency between those two classes. It needs not be same vice versa. Which one class contains the other class in this happens. Example, relationship between shape and circle is dependency. The next question is, how do you express an is a relationship and has a relationship? The is a relationship is expressed with inheritance and has a relationship is expressed with composition. Inheritance is unidirectional. For example, house is a building. Building is not a house. Inheritance uses extends keyword. Composition is used when house has a bathroom. Composition simply means using instance variable that refers to other objects. The last question is, what is super keyword? Super is a keyword which is used to access the method or member variables from the superclass. If a method hides one of the member variables in its superclass, the method can refer to the hidden variable through the use of super keyword. In the same way, if a method overrides one of the methods in its superclass, the method can invoke the overridden method through the use of the super keyword. So that's all about some of the best OOPS entry questions and answers for Java developers. So, so if you like our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share to your friends and also like our videos. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.